I love new things. So let's open it. And here we have the instruction manual, a pedal for foot operation, the power block, and everything is packed so well. I like it a lot that nothing moves around in the box. This is a holder for the handpiece, and the most important that we don't want to damage, this is the handpiece or micromotor. And here you also find the tool for repairing or cleaning the handpiece, and also a replacement brush. So now let's put everything together and turn it on. We'll check out how it works.